Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about quadratic equation class 10. So quadratic equation is the equation in which the highest power is 2. So the standard form of writing is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Now in this example, when you see 2x square plus x minus 300 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. And even here also 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 4a minus 3a square plus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus x square plus 300 is equal to 0 are also quadratic equation. So now whenever you see an equation, you have to check whether the highest power is equal to 2. So you have learnt even in the polynomials as a quadratic polynomial. Since you have an equation here, we call it as a quadratic equation. Now let's see how to solve the exercise questions. Exercise 4.1, where you need to check x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So you have to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. Now let's see how to check. So first we will write down the question. So now you can see it is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So now we have to do the expansion on the left hand side, x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. We have to do the distributive property. And now x square plus 2x, you are going to shift this minus 2x to the other side, plus 1, and minus 6 when it comes to the other side, it becomes plus 6, which is equal to 0. So now these two gets cancelled. So it is x square plus 7 is equal to 0. So now this becomes a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. So now here left hand side you cannot simplify, keep as it is. And here this should be multiplied. That is minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. Minus into minus is plus 2x. So now we are going to shift from left hand side to the right hand side. Minus 2x remains as it is. And this plus 2x when it comes to the other side it becomes minus 2x. Then minus 6 when it comes to the other side it becomes plus 6, which is equal to 0. So now x square minus 2x becomes minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now let's see the next question. When you observe, it is a binomial. Left hand side it's a binomial, right hand side also it's a binomial. So now you can write this as x into x plus 1 minus 2 into x plus 1 here, which is equal to x into 2x 3 minus 1 into x plus 3. So this becomes x square plus x minus 2x minus 2, which is equal to x square plus 3x minus x minus 3. So now this x square simplify, minus x minus 2 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Since x square and x square is there on the both the sides, it get cancelled. And here you have minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2x. We are going to shift this to the other side where it becomes plus x. So here it is 1 is equal to 3x. You cannot see the highest power as 2 here. So the highest power here it is 1. So it's not a quadratic polynomial. Now let's see the fourth question, which states that x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. So now we'll be using distributive property where we will multiply x with 2x plus 1 and minus 3 with 2x plus 1 equals x square plus 5x. So now we will multiply. X into 2x is 2x square and x into 1 is 2x. Minus 3 into 2x is minus 6x. Minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 equals x square plus 5x, which is equal to 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 5. We have followed the integer rule. Now in next step we will write 2x square minus 9x. We will shift plus 5x to the other side, which becomes 9x minus 3 is equal to x square. So now we will finally write the answer. 2x square minus x square becomes x square minus 9x and minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is also a quadratic equation. So from this we can make out that it is a quadratic equation. Now let's see the next question. The next question is x 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equals x plus 5 into x minus 1. Here also we'll be using the distributive property. It is 2x into x minus 3 and minus 1 into x minus 3, which is equal to x into x minus 1 plus 5 into x minus 1. Now we will use distributive property. So it becomes 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3, which is equal to x square minus x plus 5x minus 5. So now this becomes 2x square and minus 6x minus x. They both are like, so we will add them. Minus 7x plus 3, which is equal to x square minus x plus 5x. We have to subtract and write plus 4x minus 5. So now we will simplify further. 2x square minus x square we will shift from the other side. Minus 7x minus 4x, then plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. So this becomes x square minus 11x plus 8 is equal to 0, where it is a quadratic equation. So the highest power is 2, so it's a quadratic equation. So now let's see the next question. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. So now x square plus 3x plus 1 will write as it is, and we will expand this, which is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. X square and x square, they both are same, so we can cancel them. And now this becomes 3x, and bring 4x from the other side, which is equal to 4 minus 1, shift plus 1 to the other side. So when we simplify, you will get 7x equals 3. We will add it now, which can be written as 7x is equal to 3. So it is not a quadratic equation, it is a linear equation. So it is not a quadratic equation because the highest power here it is 1. Now let's see the next question. X plus 2 whole cube is equal to 2x into x square minus 1. So we have learnt in 9th standard x plus 2 whole cube how to expand using the identity a plus b whole cube. So this becomes x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into x square into 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square, where we will be writing this in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So which is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So now we will simplify this. So x cube plus 8 plus 6x square plus 12x is equal to 2x cube minus 2x. So now we will simplify this. X cube minus 2x cube plus 6x square minus 2x plus 12x plus 8 is equal to 0. So we are just shifting from left hand side to the right hand side and we are writing it. Now from this equation itself you can make out that it's not a quadratic polynomial because the highest power here it is 3. This is a cubic equation which we will not be learning now. You have learnt already what type of polynomials are there. So this is a cubic polynomial. Since you are equating it to 0, it becomes a equation. So it's not a quadratic equation. So now let's see the last question, that is the 8th question. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. So in this question, we will write left hand side as it is. And now we will expand x minus 2 whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now a is x and b is 2. So we will substitute in the identity, and now we can write left hand side as it is, and in right hand side we will simplify. X cube minus 8 minus 3 into 2 is 6. So which is equal to 6x square plus 12x. Now here it is minus 4x square plus 12x square and x cube and x cube will get cancelled. And now you will get 4x square plus 12x square minus x minus 12x plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. And that's all for today. Meet you in the next video. Thank you and take care.